Hi everybody. Welcome to Minimal Dev channel. In this video, we learn how to make our Android phone minimalist. I'm a minimalist man. And I love do things in a minimal way. If you love minimal life, like me, you should be able to use it in various aspects of life. In this video, I will share my minimal experience of using my Android phone with you. First step in our way is optional, but if you do this, it's become great. First step is install a custom ROM like Lineage OS without any Google apps. This make your phone light and faster. Just go to wiki.lineageos.org/devices, find your phone model and follow installation guide. Here is my phone with Lineage OS 17.1, or Android 10. Now, I will show you that Lineage OS consume less ROM and there is no bloatware to run in background. Now, second step. You must stay minimal in number of installation apps. In other words, you must install only necessary apps. Every ROM has own built-in apps, or bloatware, like camera, file manager, clock and so on. In addition to these apps, the number of installation apps for me is only 5. And I think it perfectly meets my need to use a smartphone and that's enough for daily use. I install these 5 apps. Firefox, WhatsApp, WPS Office, Spotify Lite, and Waze. Firefox is my first app to install. I use Firefox for browsing the web, checking emails and using social medias. Using Firefox exempts me from installing email app, social media apps and so on. I use all of them as web apps. With Firefox you can add websites shortcut as app icon to home screen. And I will show this to you. Also, Firefox add-ons, available on Android and they can act as an app within the browser. And here, I install Tap Translate add-on, on Firefox, and it satisfy my need, to a translation app. WhatsApp is second app. With WhatsApp, you able to make VoIP calls, send messages to your friends. But there is a tip, as you know, WhatsApp belongs to Facebook, and there are privacy concerns about it, but probably, most of your friends, like me, are also on WhatsApp, and perhaps, we have to install it. WPS Office is third app. This app enables you to view Office files on your phone, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And if necessary, create Office files on your Android phone. Spotify Lite is fourth app. With Spotify Lite, you can listen to new music albums and top hits for free. Of course, in shuffle order. Spotify Lite is a nice lightweight app, and it uses less data when streaming music. In my opinion, it's a good music player. Waze is the last app that I installed. In my opinion, Waze is the best available navigation app, especially when driving. Moreover, Live Traffic Report and Voice Assistant. Waze is a large app that owned by Google, and that causes privacy concerns, but I can't find a better alternative. So we have to install it. At the end of this video, let's have a short conclusion. In this video, we learned how we can minimal in usage and install app on an Android device, and meanwhile, we don't miss functionality. If you find this video useful, please like, share, or subscribe. Goodbye and have a great day.